How's it going, everybody? My name is Fake Thriller, and you are watching The Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. This is my character so far. His name is Thriller, the Blonde Orc. He's level 13, about halfway through 13. I figured instead of doing an entire Let's Play, I think everyone would benefit more from just doing single missions and hoping something interesting happens, because I don't want to get caught up in a 250-part Let's Play or anything like that. So the current mission that we are on today is to restore the life of this tree in the center of Whiterun. See this big tree over here? There's a woman that was crying because the tree is sleeping, so we have to retrieve something called Nettlebane in order to revive it. So I'm going to take you into the quest menu right now. It's called The Blessings of Nature. It says, I've agreed to help Danica Purespring repair the Gildergreen, the large tree outside the temple of Kynareth in Whiterun. So we need to retrieve the Nettlebane. Now if you look on the map, we have to go to right where the thing is pointing. It's called the Orphan Rock. We're up here in Dragon's Reach. So we're going to start our journey by fast traveling to Riverwood, and then we're going to walk on foot probably up this way, and then hopefully to Orphan Rock. I haven't been through any of this part here. Helgen is the beginning town that you're chased out of by a dragon, so we could run into trouble around that. But to start things off, let us fast travel to Riverwood. Now, my character is, you can see, level 13. He's an orc. He specializes in two-handed weapons and heavy armor. I played this once before. I started, I should say, the game once, and I tried to do a magic thing, but everyone else seems to do like a battle mage or a sword mage or something like that. So I just jumped off that bandwagon, restarted, and
if those Whiterun gods can take down the dragon,
yeah,
so can we.
Yeah, okay. So here we are in, what is it, Riverwood, and I'm just going to consult our map right quick to make sure we're looking in the right direction, and we are. I doubt I'll be able to climb straight over this ridge. I think I'm going to have to go around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a destination here just to better track my my path. Oh, you're kidding me. Alright, we got a dragon here. I was not expecting this. Let's see if it's going to land. Oh yeah, here he comes. Oh! Alright, let's try and get out in an open area where he will fight us. Oh, he seems to be some sort of ice dragon. Wow, I can't see a thing. Where are you? Alright, land, you bitch. Take that. I don't know how I'm supposed to... Wow, I can't see a thing. Oh, I'm almost dead. Okay, first off, settings, display, brightness needs to go up. Okay, then back to items. I need to heal bad. Potions, draft of health, potion of healing, restore 50 points. That's good. Okay, I can't afford to take another hit like that. I have a healing spell, which I'm currently using, and what I'm going to try and do... Yeah, what's up? Oh, I think I missed. I've got a dragon shout, which is, I can shoot a fireball. Oh! Yeah, you can't hit me, bitch. Oh, he's hurting bad, too, because these archers are doing a number on him. I'll have to think that I'm contributing, but I know I'm not. Boom! Get owned. Alright. One more. Oh, we can't miss this opportunity. Boom! I'll club you to death. What's up now, dragon? You lose. I win. Yield your powers to me. I'll heal myself while this is happening. So what happens there is I absorb the dragon's soul. And then I'll steal all these things back from him. That was an awesome start to this mission. I was not expecting that at all. Alright guys. Let's get back to the mission at hand. That was a nice little start, huh? So what I was going to say, well, I was talking about my character, I believe. I can't believe that just happened. I have Lydia. She follows me around. She's my Thane, I believe, is the proper terminology, which basically means she's my woman servant, and she's to do all my bidding. What is this? Some sort of cave? Oh, Ember Shard mine. I've been in there. Alright. Let's see if I can climb up this way. I can't believe we just fought a dragon out of nowhere. That's only the third dragon that I've fought. I gotta consult the map, see if we're going the right way. Okay, looks like I have to go around this ridge. Do 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 na 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 na. So now I have a dragon soul. So the next time I find a word of power, I will be able to learn a new technique, similar to that fire breath that I had. Right now I have Oogie Boogie Shout, where I just yell really loud and scare people, and I have that fire breath, and I have a dash. What is this? Guardian stones, huh? Activate the mage stone, the warrior stone, the thief stone. I'm a warrior. Those under the sign of the warrior will learn all combat skills 20% faster. Yes, please. What is that, getting an alien signal? That's awesome. I'm about to get crazy levels now. So yeah, this game seems to be bound to words of power that you learn, which are abilities, and then getting a dragon's soul to unlock that ability. So it's a two-step process, and you got to sort of choose. It's possible to learn several words without having a soul, so then when you get your soul, it's a tough decision as to what you want to unlock. I've got a thief or a bandit or something up in the woods here. I just found this dwarven... Oh, I'm detected. I'm hidden. Alright, maybe I'm just kidding. I swear I saw someone. Oh, what is this? There is a person. We better investigate. He doesn't seem to be hostile. At least I hope he's not hostile. Hey.
I've been hunting and fishing in these parts for years.
Oh. You got a dog? He's just a hunter. I've run across hunters before, and they're doing just that. They're hunting elk. There's wild animals that run around in the forest. And they were so distracted by this elk that they wouldn't talk to me. But that doesn't seem to be an issue now. I mean, there's not much to say, so... Let us continue on. I'll sheath my bow. Alright, I seem to have reached close to my original marker. So now I think I'm going to have to follow this path up through Helgen. And through this low pass. So I'm going to move that there. I'm going to move up through Helgen. And then through that small... ravine or lower area in the mountain range. Of course, this is like I said when I first started the game, this is the town that there was originally a dragon in. What is that? Mountain flower. I'm not actually going to go into Helgen because when I was in Helgen before, I was there under the pain of death. I was set to be executed. So, I don't really want to risk it, you know? Looks like we got a nice direct path here. We got a bear claw directly in front of us, which I think signifies a wild bear, which should be a nice little fight. I'd like to sneak up on it if possible. Okay, once again, I have made it to my custom destination. I'll remove that from the map, and we'll continue on straight ahead to our ultimate destination of getting the Nettlebane. I heard that crunching. Oh, it's just a fox. Michael J. Fox, the Incredible Mr. Fox. Foxy the Foxington. He's my buddy. Oh, look, another fox. Oh, we've got enemies. Ow! You'll pay for that.
I'll see you burn. Do your worst.
Oh, I'll do my worst. Slug with my hammer. Yeah, where's your friend? You better close the distance. Yeah, take it. See, my outlook on the magic folk, the people who prefer to use magicka, is they better use a spell that's going to stop me, because my guy's such a beast that if he gets close, he's going to put a hammer through your skull, and I highly doubt you're going to live to tell the tale. What the hell? Alright. Ooh, Orphan Rock. Looks like we may need to go on top, but I need to heal myself before we go any further. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whoa! What the hell? Oh shit. I just clubbed Lydia in the back of the head. I am getting owned right now. Alright, I don't want to use too many of these. I will... I was just about to save it too, and then I got attacked. Okay, after I get out of the pause menu, I'm going to blow torch this bitch. Get owned. Holy shit, I gotta take cover. No! Oh no! No! Alright guys, we're back. I cannot believe that just happened. I didn't save it at all, so it sent me back to Whiterun, right outside that big tree. So I tried to do the same thing that I did before, and when I went to Riverwood, the dragon didn't appear, so that dragon technically hasn't happened yet, although I'm going to leave it in the video because I thought it was awesome. And now we are in the foothills approaching Orphan Rock yet again, but I have yet to attack any of those magicians. I'm going to hopefully get a jump on them this time by coming from the north. I'm about to... Oh, look, a horse. Oh, I found a camp. I didn't want to find this place. I bet this place is, like, necessary, too, for something. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to skip right through this. Note to self, come back here. I can't believe that happened just now. Yep, there we go. He's looking for me. Lydia, don't! He's shooting at Lydia now. Oh shit, that thing again. Oh, Jesus Christ, no. Time to run. I'm just getting the F out. Time to run, time to run, time to run, time to run. I'm fleeing, I'm fleeing. You can't catch me. Unbelievable. I don't know what that thing is that's destroying me, but it is certainly destroying me. Come here, you. Clubbed. Come here, you. Oh, you're lucky I missed. Clubbed. Shit, one more. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Where are you? Clubbed! Get owned. Alright. There's a fourth one, but I don't know if it's coming. And I need to heal. I need to get a good line of sight on whatever's shooting those super fireballs. You know what the smart man does right now? He saves. I'll give myself a new save. Alright. Where are you, you bastard? There we go. I decided to use to come in the daytime so I could see things, but now it's snowing. It seems to be some sort of like turret. Let's see if I can just sneak right past it. I bet Lydia comes screaming up and gives away my position. I wish I see a fire up there. This is about where I was trying to approach from before, and it noticed me. There's a fire. There's two fires. Oh, there's another fire. Shit. I'm sneaking. Oh, I see him. I see him. Let's see if I can hit this. Oh, you wouldn't move, you bitch. What the hell? I don't know if that was the thing that was shooting at me or what. But I was getting owned. I want to hit that guy with a... If you're crouch... Oh. Lydia. Time to run. Holy crap. Alright, here's the plan. Shit. Here's the plan. Charge. Charge, charge, charge. Oh, shit. Wow, I just got rolled again. Alright, luckily I don't have to go and fucking do it all over again. I want to know where... Okay. Where is Lydia? I do not need her coming up behind me and giving away my position again. If I go on the road, I bet she'll appear. She has issues with the terrain sometimes. Alright, what if I approach from... What is this? The east? The west? My best bet is to snipe them. There you are.
I've got your back. I'll head back home if you need me.
Thank you. What, were you making it snow too? Alright, so this is the back of their encampment. I'll try and get a better view. There he is. How does he see me? For those that... Oh. For those that don't know, the eye, when it's open... Holy shit. This is absurd. Let's see if I can get up here and really get a good position on him. I want to see what gave me away. What the hell's... You. There's one down. Time to go. Time to go. Roll him up. Okay. If I can get through this. Alright. I think this deserves a save. Because that's one of the bastards that was shooting me. I'll do a new save just in case it doesn't work out. Give me back my bow. Alright. What I want to try and do is get up on this rock and snipe the bitch. Where the heck are you? I know you're on that rock. Just where? Show yourself, you blasted beast. There you are. Oh, my aim is true. Compensate for arrow drop. Yeah. You don't know where I am. Wow, this thing is beastly. It's not taking any damage. Oh, there you are. Watch this. Oh, led the shot like a boss. Get ready to get sniped. Missed. That hit. One more. Come on. Don't move. Oh, that didn't make it. One more, baby. One more. Oh, you dodged it. Oh, shit. One more, baby. Oh, it's healing itself. Oh! Alright, here's the point. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, here's the plan. I heal myself. I sneak as close to that log as I can. And actually, I got a skill that will help me get there. This whirlwind sprint covers ground like you wouldn't believe. So I want my warhammer. It's looking for me. So what I was saying before is that when that eye is open, my cursor, that means it's looking for me. When it's all the way open, it means it's found me. When it's a line, it means I'm hidden. But right now I'm detected. Yep. Time to get up there. Time to get up there. Come on, you. Come on, beast. I smote my foe on the mountaintop. What the fuck? I found one of these once before. It was in a cage in a what is a spriggan? I'll take it. I let it go. I thought it was like some magical creature. What do you have? Nettlebane. Give me that. Hograven claw, Hograven feathers, and some of my arrows that I stuck in him. Whew. That was an adventure, huh? I mean, it's not over yet. We still got to get back. Oh, a death ball. A death bell. Nope, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this. Alright. Ooh, let's see what else you got. Some gold. I know what we do right now before we F everything up. We save. So yeah, did you see that nice dash ability I had? That really came in handy, huh? Oh, that skeleton had some gold in it. That's nice. I don't care about apples. Salt piles. Alright, so now bring the Nettlebane to Danica, who is in Dragon's Reach or Whiterun. Let us fast travel as to not delay. That was amazing. I can't believe I died in the beginning of that, though, and I didn't get that dragon soul now. The dragon encounters seem to be random. Some of them are scripted, but that one, since it didn't happen again, kind of bugs me. And it really bugs me that fast traveling...
I've been looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only.
Oh, yeah?
Let's see here. A letter. Not sure who from. He wouldn't say, just that he was a friend of yours. Looks like that's it. Got to go.
What is this letter? Items. Bounty. Letter from a friend. Thrillor. You caused a bit of stir in Orphan Rock when you demonstrated the power of your Thuum. Not everyone is anxious for the return of the Dragonborn. I, for one, desire to see you grow and develop your talents. Skyrim needs a true hero these days. You should turn your attention to the Highgate Ruins. I understand it holds a mysterious source of power that can be unlocked by the Dragonborn. Sincerely, a friend. This is interesting. This is very interesting. I think we might have just found our next mission. Because who likes to play the main storyline when you could dolly around with side missions and stuff, right? Am I right? Wait,
Need supplies?
where's this girl?
See Bellathor at his store.
Oh, she must not be by the tree. Temple of Kinnerath. Kinnerath. Okay, creepy place. Hey, Danica.
So, have you... Oh, Well, I honestly didn't expect you to come back. Of course, I'm glad you did. Now... I don't really want to touch that thing, though. Do you think you could handle the next steps?
What needs to be done?
Eldergleam Sanctuary Grove is to the east of here. You can use Nettlebane to retrieve some of its sap.
Oh, I thought it was
The
over.
fever. My body burns.
Was I correct in hearing that you were traveling to the Grove of the Eldergleam?
Yes?
I am a traveler, a pilgrim. I follow the voice of Kinnereth wherever it can be heard. I've dreamed of seeing Eldergleam for years. Might I travel alongside you? I promise not to get in the way.
You're welcome to join me as long
I
as
thank you for your kindness.
there's no treachery in your meaning. Looks like this mission isn't done, boys. We're going on another journey. I don't know why this guy wants to tag along. I came across a guy one time, a beggar, on the side of the road and said, "Please, sir, I'm travel-worn and weary. Will you please just escort me to my camp? It's just around the corner here." And I go, "Yeah, I'm a wicked strong orc, and I mess people up for a living, so lead the way, and nobody's going to mess with you because you're with me." And I get to, the guy sprints ahead, and we get up to his camp, and it's an ambush. He led me into an ambush, so I had to slaughter his entire camp of like 4 or 5 guys. So if this guy's like, "Can you take me to the tree, and then I'm gonna like do something to like hurt you," I'm pissed. Let us consult our map and see where we're going. Oh. Well, that's nice and far away. Luckily, I've already discovered Fort Amel, and we will fast travel there. Oh, that looks like a sweet staff. See, a great sword swings faster than a battle axe, and a battle axe swings faster than a warhammer. And I'm using a warhammer. Oh, I have a great sword that does the same damage as my warhammer. I should probably swap that out. I can't wait to get a hammer or a sword that's so beast I get to rename it, and it's like the Destroyer or some shit like that. Alright, weapons. I shall equip this now. Let's see. Sweet. Oh. This is probably from... Oh, no, I didn't do that. I was here, though. I remember this place. I was ambushed by a few mages. I had to destroy them, too. Oh, God. It's go time. Hang on. Oh, I'm about to get lit up. This is really gonna suck. Let's see here. I'll try my unrelenting force. Come on, you! Bring it! Time to heal. Yeah! Yeah! Boogie, boogie, boogie! Take that. Ching! 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 Yeah, you're down, dragon. And now I take from you your very soul. Come on, give me your soul. Yes. The power. And I will take... Ooh, a flawless garnet. I'll take everything from you. How'd you do, buddy?
It's like the ancient legends. Dragonborn.
Yep, that's me. This guy just fought a dragon with me with nothing but a dagger. I bet you didn't know that was going to happen, did you, buddy? Whew. That was... Oh, wait. Look at how I learn. Save. Yes, please. This is quite the chasm. I wonder if there's a safe place to cross this waterfall. Ooh, dragon's tongue. Alright, ready? Oh god, I'm drowning. I'm back, I'm back. Sweet, I think that was the same dragon that I already killed, but then died. So we're back where we started. I don't know what's up with this place. I'm sketched. Is that a naked lady? Pretty close.
Need something?
Hubba hubba. Alright. This is the furthest I've ever been from home. It's some massive mammoth tusks. I hope there's no giants around. And here's the cave. Ooh. I like to collect these troll skulls. Hey. I put them in my house like a creep. Alright. I'm kind of delaying the inevitable. I say we enter. Okay. Since there's a troll skull outside, and now they're showing me the troll skull on the loading screen, I have a feeling we are in for a fun ride. Okay. Save. Are you with me? Did you need health?
Please move quickly. Elder Gleam awaits us.
You bastard. Alright. We crouch. And we have our bows at the ready. Because if we do run into a troll, we'll be hard pressed to defeat it. Alright. Seems uneventful enough. Nice long line of sight. The trees, I see them. There's no way they're going to be unguarded. Alright. All's quiet. I am so sketched right now. Isn't this this is underground? Can I just hop up here? Come on, Skyrim controls. Let's work together. Uh-huh. Alright, it doesn't seem to have any enemies here. I gotta harvest these mushrooms and flowers while I can. Oh look, there's a person. Oh shoot. Oh god.
Hello there, friend.
Oh hi.
You come to enjoy the sights and sounds of this beautiful sanctuary as I have?
Okay. I'm at ease.
Amazing that such beauty could exist in a place as desolate as the volcanic tundra.
What is this place?
You are in Eldergleam Sanctuary. Just a small glimpse of what beauty Kinnereth has to offer. Wonderful place, isn't it?
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes, my friend. Though no one has been able to get close to her for as long as I can remember.
Oh shit. Why not?
As you can see, Eldergleam's roots are large and stretch far, blocking any path to her trunk. Though, believe it or not, there are rumors of a weapon that even Eldergleam herself would lift her roots for, more out of fear than respect.
You mean this
The
weapon?
rumors were true. I beg of you, don't harm the tree. Nothing good can come of it.
I don't want to harm the tree. However, I need the sap. All right. Well, here goes nothing, right? All right. Let's see here. First thing we do is we save it. I paid the price already once for not saving. Yes, save over this game, please. The second thing we do is equip the Nettlebane. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Harvesting. Harvesting. Okay. Easy enough, right?
I knew it.
Oh God. Ba-da-bum bum 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 bum. Oh God. First of all, fire breath would probably help, and then selecting this as well. Whoa, whoa, whoa! He turned on me? I don't take too kindly to this, buddy. Alright. Nettlebane equipped. Let's see here. Fire breath equipped. Let me through. That thing got burned hard when I blew my fire breath on it, so I'm not worried about it. Let me take my sword out. Hey! I'm about to die again. Potions, please. Bring it! Bring it! Oh! Oh! Did he get me? Shit! Alright, here's the plan this time. I'm not fighting him. I'm gonna run. They hurt so bad. Oh, jeez. How many times am I going to do this? Weapons. Nettlebane. Fire breath equipped. I don't know what that other jackass wants, but I think he's going to die either way. Can I take this out first?
Found you.
Yep, you're dead. What the hell? Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, what the hell? Like an hour later, I shoot my fire burst. Doo-doo-doo. Still running. Still running. Wait, why am I poisoned? I need to get my stamina back up too so I can continue sprinting. What the hell? Yeah, healed myself, bitch. Look at me go. I'm flying. Yeah. Get me out there. Get me out there. There are other alternatives to fighting. I don't know why that guy turned on me. He must have thought I was hurting a tree or something. Are they following me out? No. Did you hear that? A dragon. Too bad. I'm out of here. Hang on. Level up. I like my stamina, baby. Let's see here. What do I want to level up? My two-handed? Nope, can't do that. How about my... Yeah. I'm a beast. Show me that map, baby. Let's fast travel to Whiterun. If she sends me out somewhere else, I'm going to be pissed. Those skeletons are fun to fight because you shoot them or you hit them and they like crumble apart like the magic is released and they just become scattered bones. I was playing this on the couch the other night. My wife was like, you don't have to worry about those skeletons. They don't have any muscles. They can't move. And I'm like, you're so adorable. Clearly don't understand the world of magic. Look at this guy. I wonder if Nettlebane would have worked good on those thingamajigs instead of my greatsword. Only time will tell. You.
Do you have the Elder Gleam sap?
Yes.
Wonderful. I'll use it to repair the tree. Thank you so much for all your help.
Completed. Ooh, train me.
I'll gladly share my knowledge with you.
Wow, it's kind of expensive. Yeah, I'll come back.
Grace of
Fever. My body burns.
What does this do? Oh. What's the blessing of Kinnereth? Anyway, guys, we completed our mission. The mission of the blessings of nature. So hopefully the tree will bloom once more. This is going to be the end of this first episode. I think we're about an hour in. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment throughout the video. Like it, you know. If you want to see more, let me know. I think the next one we're going to do is that secret note that we got during this mission. So stay tuned for that. Alright, guys. Peace out. Hey guys, it's Fake Thriller. Come check out my Let's Play channel at youtube.com/Fake Thriller. Also, do me a favor and follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Fake Thriller. Catch you later, guys.